Hello everyone, happy October 29th. Today we celebrate cats, oatmeal, and the joy of internet connection. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Cat Day. A perfect celebration of feline friends and cozy cuddles. A great gift could be a cat toy bundle, a personalized pet bowl, or a donation to a local shelter. What's your cat's name? Or dream cat name? Let's meow it out in the comments. Next, it's National Oatmeal Day. A wholesome tribute to comfort food and morning rituals. A sweet gift could be an oatmeal recipe book, a gourmet oats sampler, or a breakfast-themed mug. Savory or sweet? Let's stir up the comments below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's World Internet Day, celebrating the invention that connects us all. A thoughtful gift could be a Wi-Fi booster, a tech-themed notebook, or a digital detox guide. What's something online that made your day better? Let's link up in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 26th to 30th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome.